Hello friends, welcome back to the new video. In this video guys, we are going to talk about how to off this auto rotate screen in our vivo phone. Guys, you want to off this auto rotate screen, so guys you can off. And guys, now let's see how to off auto rotate screen in our vivo phone. In this video guys, I am going to show you guys how can you off it. So first of all guys, click on your phone setting to off this auto rotate screen. Display and brightness guys, click here. Auto rotate screen, why we will off this from the right side. Auto rotate screen will off, and guys when you will rotate your phone guys, it will not rotate guys. You can see, wait, so you can see guys it's not rotating. So guys your phone will not rotate to off this setting. So you want to on, so you can on your auto rotate, then guys it will rotate, otherwise not. So your friends, we have understood how to off auto rotate screen in vivo phone. So that's it guys, thanks for watching. Now we will meet on next video with new topic. Before going guys, please go and like my video, subscribe my channel. Bye bye friends.